Everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 90 of Gardening Without Edits. My family wants a lot of citrus, so I'm in my front yard right now. I have to prune a lot of it off, or harvest it, excuse me. So before I do that, I decided to do a video. It's nighttime. I have my headlight. At least you'll see how full it was prior to harvesting. Unfortunately, I could have done this a little while ago, and you could have saw it in the bright sun. But regardless, let's flip the camera around. Let's take a look. Luckily, it's a little bit bright right now. This is the Moro Blood. You can see it's all over the floor right there. Now, I prune these always to my height or less because I don't want to climb a tree to harvest the fruit. You can see how much blood oranges there are. Now, imagine the whole tree looks like that. And let's go to the grapefruit. You're going to see how much more fruit there is. So just galore. Look at that. Let's see if I could do something weird. I don't know if this will work. Probably not. Guess not. Okay, let's go to the grapefruit. So you can see the grapefruit right here. It's a blood orange. See, when they're really ripe, when the whole thing turns that dark color, you see the light color of orange and dark reddish brown or reddish purple. When the whole thing turns that color, it's really sweet, but by then they're gone. So let me show you the grapefruit. See another big cluster. I don't know if I can. Man, this is really heavy, guys. Look at all that. And that little haze that you see is probably from the light and the moisture that's on the fruit itself. We can see it all. Let's see from another angle. You see all of it? Once again, I apologize for the filming at night, but this tree is full of grapefruit. Let's walk over here now. My son's calling me. Okay, hold on, son. And you can see everything. The blood orange and the grapefruit. Just wonderful. Whew. All right, everybody. Happy gardening.